Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn what computer network is in very simple word. What is a network? A network means two or more computers connect to share data, files or internet. When your phone connected to Wi-Fi, that is also a network. Type of networks. These are the three type of network: LAN, MAN and WAN. What is local area network? LAN is a small network inside a home, school, or office. And the next one is WAN. It's Wide Area Network. It is a very large network that covers countries. The internet is the biggest WAN. And the next one is MAN. MAN is the bigger than LAN, but smaller than WAN. It covers city, town, or university campus. That's all for today's videos. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple cybersecurity videos.